Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now Marcia come out and she's talking about the stuff. She's saying that things that she knew, she was, saying it in parables, and Miss D understood what she was talking about, and that's the reason why Miss D came out for her. Guys, you have to go ahead and go catch the video soon to see what Marcia has to say about this and more. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, the lovelies that are having their birthdays today, I wish you a wonderful day and a happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies out there, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. Keep a smile on your face. And if you can make somebody else smile, that's a great thing as well. And live, love, and laugh. Yes, live, love, laugh. And for anyone out there who would need something to purchase, Marcia still has her store. You could check it out as well. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
Because she know, come here talking her probables in a one way. So she know me I talk about. And she probably say, Bumbo Clot, how she get them information there. So that's why she come out so hard. Because she's shocked to know that I know those information. So you guys are not getting the drift. Me ribbit some things in our years old. So when me ribbit the things them in our years old now, you don't know me attack, but she know me attack. Because me can't show the people them under the bus. So that is the reason why she come down like that. Because me clutter with some things. Especially me tell her about her pitney them. When them rent can't pay and people have to pay them rent. And certain things. So me clutter with those now. And when me tell her, say, listen, how for money make when you did borrow, when you first came out with your cake season, that time she never start thief this charity money yet. And who for money you borrow, you pay back. When she said she no borrow from people, and them there's something they burn her. And when your fucking daughter car did brought down and mash up, and who you beg to fix it? And them there's something they burn her. Cause the broke pocket, the girl pit them never go on with nothing up here. She not fear mind them. And I send money out to charity, money go pay them fucking bills. So what happened is no. That's why she come out now and I chat like that. Because me burn her blood clot. I set piece of fire under her ass. I set piece of fire under her bumble clot. So she guess what? She mad. Because me touch some subject where who don't know about. But she know about it. But people who tell me, who don't have to worry because I not call no name. I'm not going to throw no under the bus. All the money them that sent to Carol for charity for give out, she not give them out. She not give them out. And me have a receipt to prove that blood clot. Where people saying, come give, but me can't do it because my people can't, them the people are prominent people. A whole heap of money she wrap from his Stillone house. And planka it up. That's why she call it planka. Cause all of the house them planka up. Dirty girl get rich off of social media and come up about a show off for her fucking self. Eh? You can't do Jamaica. What you know about house? What you know about house? What you know about furniture? Eh? I want for anybody, any dignitary invited to them place. Any foreigners invited to them place. You know about bedroom set. You know about furniture, you know about decoration. You ever be walking as a house at Jamaica? Me got one girl party already. I up a Stony Hill up me have to walk pa me hand to go up a fair house from England. She keep party every year. Suppose I go in a girl house. You can't chat about house. You can't talk about house. Your house not even look good like my cousin house in a Old Harbour. We were up in a Old Harbour Heights there. That 3-story house. You can't talk about house. Not even your fucking house not look good like my brother house. Manchester. And he not even done it. You can't hardly walk in a fair yard. My brother have a long drive where you can hold almost 10 car come down in that grass. Somebody can't worry about us live a gully side. You can't take one piece of bamboo tick and joke right out the door. You have title? You have severe paper for it? You cannot come and talk to people on capture land. What house? What house are you talking about? And they had a earthquake nearly shake it down. You have to run out of that blood clot. God never shake it good. He should have pitched it over the gully side with like a teeth in Monday where you use and Billy. Everything in there should have fucking mash up and drop a ground. And God should have teach you lesson never run out good. You see how you show off your fucking self? And you have to run out of that blood clot, girl. That's what me say. I mean, I take it back. Me say the earthquake should just shake up every fucking thing I drop off of the wall. You're too fucking unfair and ungrateful to God. I don't like ungrateful people. I don't care if you want to call me bad mind. Me I talk the truth. Me not have to grudge or for nothing. Me have all what me want. Me have life. Me have everything that I want. The only thing me lack of is more of Jesus. That's it. Everything else is fine. Because me no worse off than nobody else. People worse off than me. People out there do live in a dirt. Don't have no food for them. Me can't find food every day. People that even have one shoes, them a walk barefoot. Me have 100 of shoes. Clothes and whatever. So the only thing me desire is more. Me can't bad mind nobody. Me can't bad mind Satan, girl. Eh? Look how the girl come on social media and trick, you know. Come up in a long church clothes and Bible and pray. Jesus! And I go on and I put on one long piece of ass prayer. Eh? My house is my heart. Me no need no house. That's why them called brothers and sister and me the last one. So if them have house, the house belong to me too. That's all. My brother said, anytime I come to Jamaica, you stay there. Me North Carolina sister them, me can't go there. I am the last baby one. So guess what? And them fi have it, and me fi go to there and visit. That's all. Me don't need to buy no house. What me I buy the house for? Me is a baby. I don't need to buy no fucking house. What me I do with house? What am I doing with house? Eh? What you do it for you? You have any? Where is yours? You pay for it? You come and ask me where's my house. I don't need no house. My brothers and sisters, then we share theirs with mine. When me ready, me can go and brother and go stay. When me ready, me go and my sister then go stay, go spend like a vacation. I don't need nothing. What do I need? What me need a house for? If you come shelter you, in there, move your blood to your ass clot from you and go chuck off in a one shit house. You bitch. And that if you go do. Who give a fuck about house? Who don't have house, no can maintain it. Eh? Wait, you can't maintain it? How much I want that house, right? How much I want America right now have house? I want can't even blood clot walk in there good with privacy. I can't even walk in there with no saucer drawers. I rent out for all the shit house and no blood clot rent out. All the shit house and rent out. All the shit house and rent out. I can't even walk in the naked and show no two long breasts. If you buy a house, and me not buy 1 2-story and 3-story for rent out, me not want a house. I don't want it. I don't fucking want it. So let me tell you something. I don't want a house. You see, if I forget a house, I'm a ras man, I've got to put me in there. Because me sure as bubble clock now get no house and put the man in there. Because the man now use me. So any fucking house me I get, me and the man have to go buy together. He have to married me and buy a house. But me, Marcia Campbell, I am not buying no house and put no man in there. The man have to carry me got a fee one. I tour we go buy together. That's all. To get more of Jesus, you have to have more love. Then me have love. Me just not have the love for you. Me have love for Jesus. Me not have love for you. He without sin cast the first stone. The love what you need to go is to go in your man bed and make your man give you a good fuck. And then give you some love. That's what you need. That's what you need. You need a good fuck. You're 2 10 where the pump page. I was a night here. Yes, that is it. Yes, me have Jesus. Me no lie and thief. So me have Jesus. He said, thou shalt not steal and thou shalt not kill. So you need a good fuck right now. That's all. Go get yourself some good fuck a Friday night now. You're not supposed to sit on the bed. You're not supposed to have a comment one rasp on my page. You're not supposed to do the rub up on a rasp man balls. And get yourself a good fuck. Don't come on page and write up nothing. Uh-huh. Go and tell your man that a Friday night now. When someone will not work a man, you should be working. You should be riding the ass, man, dicky. Where is Marie? Marie is not only child, you know, black. I don't think, you know. She have the authority for black them. I don't even know. She know. Only me alone can black. Only me alone can black. I don't want put me on pan some of them. And then only me alone can black. She can black. It's only me alone have the power for black on this page. No, it's only me alone. So what me have to do, because last time, the reason why I not press me on pan them, because the last time I black only girl, and black some of my supporters them, and me don't know if you unblack them. So that is the thing, why you say me not touch some of them. Like how she put them on timeout now, me press pan it, let me see if it work. I don't want to something there. She not forgot tell me, the anger was hidden by Diane. We don't want nothing hidden. Only me alone have the power for block. Them can't block them. Them have to be admin on my page to block them. It's only one person can block them. So if you're here, it's only you alone can block them. So if you're here watching me, I know you work at night. If you're here watching me, please to block those people. If you see any comments, I'm not calling your name, but you are the only person on my page admin. Yes, so if you're the only person that can block on me. So if you are here and you see those comments, well, I guess you know I could do it kind of nobody know who he is. So you know what, forget it. Make it stay right there. What about the ex-admin? No, forget it. She don't want anybody know who she is. So once she block it, I could tell who she is. So leave it. I have to find another admin anyway. So I have to go remove her and put somebody else. I want somebody who is very active and somebody who can work my page when I'm not over here. So I have to find somebody who seriously have time. She's very busy and she has all the different things. So me have to go find somebody else who wants to handle this page, and somebody who is very honest and somebody who know about to strike people and somebody who know how to do to cut out videos and put the something this over the something there, do the little something them. So I have to find somebody like that. So even when I'm over you Facebook and I'm not here, that person can keep the page active. But she doesn't have enough time for that. So definitely I have to go remove her and put somebody else. Yeah, because it can be worked. Yeah, and somebody know if you do thumbnails, put it over it, and somebody who come over Facebook when me do my video, them put it and them carry it over here. Cut out 10-15 minutes. Me need somebody who monitoring the other bloggers them and see what part of my video them have and strike them. So I really need somebody serious to work over here. That's what I'm looking for. I need somebody to go over there, monitoring the other rest of blogger them, see which part of the video them have, go over YouTube and see which part them have, one number where it start from, and put in the strike and strike them. So that is what I'm looking for. But it's up to find the right person to do that. I need somebody who's going to be active on the page every day. And somebody who know for work for Facebook and very serious. Yeah. Somebody, yeah, she don't have no time much. She's very busy. And so I definitely have to find somebody else. Serious people. And you can't put anybody for your page either. You understand? I'm going to go see if I find one white girl. Or go find somebody out where our manage our company, where then whatever it is, somebody serious. Yes, somebody serious. You know, we can do the page and cut out my videos, them and care over here. Because them a cut out your care over here, you know, and I talk about it. Where one I want to say, Erica over there, me go up on YouTube a while ago. And me see her with a headline and say Curly topple Curly no, she never send nobody. Me see her, me go over there, but when me go over there, she coming off. Say she have to wake up early in the morning. So let me get back to her. Where she over there? This I talk about me. Where she start up back again? What happened? Where she have food to cook? So she get back her food now for cook now, so she ready to come start back for me when she said she not gonna talk about me again. And after she over there share my video so comfortable on her page, and me can strike her 99 times. And she a one person of all of my contents them. And she over there talk about me. I discriminate. And she knows I true me attack. So she getting so she do fear do snow. And then she settle now and then she gone back to other things now. She gone back for me. Me must stop lying on the man about 99. Me see it on the headline. Me see it. Then no fear people them. Who for name in go call? Whose name in go call? If video is right here on YouTube, we no cut it out and carry all over the place. How in come there talk about? Now who for name in call in the video? Who for name in call in the video? Who didn't watch it? Whose name did the guy pull up on me? And I have camera upon me, a video me, and I call. Who for name? No fear people them. Then it's not her people. Our same planka people them is going to put her in a serious trouble one of these days. And she's going to cause one of those people, because of her not speaking to them and telling them, I want them to grow and cuss people, one of them is going to get sinting, one of them with the dog get. And when that happen, then we know. Then we know if we stop walking and harass people. When them supposed to get, then we start with the paperwork. Count the things you lie me, I tell me, got the police department for go. You see it on the video. I think he left on my dashboard in my car. My police department, I'm to call tomorrow and get that number, so I can go file harassment charges. And them say anybody who that showed up on social media with the video, I must come back to the police department and file charges on them also. Yes, because the camera catch him, from half of the building. Half of the building when we went shopping. Because when we went back down there, because the guy said him have it on the camera. Because my phone was dirty.